So let's dive into the problem we encountered while working with Angular Material V18 Plus and the M3 theming specification. The issue at hand was that after generating a custom theme with distinct color palettes, only the primary color was being applied to the components, leaving the secondary and tertiary colors untouched. We tried various methods to apply these colors, like using the color attribute on HTML tags, but to no avail. Additionally, we observed that the pre-built cyan and orange theme successfully applied the tertiary color to certain components, sparking our curiosity on how to achieve the same result with our custom theme. Moving on to the solution, we discovered the key to applying secondary and tertiary colors to Angular Material components. By adding specific classes like primary button, secondary button, and tertiary button to the buttons in the app component.html file, we were able to target these components individually. This step enabled us to directly associate the desired colors from our custom theme to each button, ensuring the correct color variants were applied. This precise targeting mechanism proved to be the missing piece in our quest to style the components as intended. Expanding on the solution, we delved into the custom-generated theme file, m3theme.scss, to implement the necessary styling for the designated classes. By using the mat.buttonColorMixin and specifying the color variants as primary, secondary, and tertiary, we were able to seamlessly link the button classes to their corresponding colors from the custom theme. This strategic approach ensured that each button received the correct color treatment, aligning with our design objectives and providing a cohesive visual experience across the application. In summary, by leveraging specific classes and the mat.buttonColorMixin within our custom theme setup, we successfully overcame the initial challenge of applying secondary and tertiary colors to Angular Material components. Through targeted styling and precise color association, we achieved a harmonious design outcome that showcased the full spectrum of our custom theme. And with that, we've reached the end of our explanation. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts, because even themes like a little affirmation now and then